In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple videos to your Instagram story post. So as you know, when you post a video on Instagram, it'll only allow you to add one video at a time. And unfortunately, there is no sticker to add multiple videos on an Instagram story. So let me show you how to add multiple videos to one Instagram story. So before you begin, you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store. Here you're tapping on search and you're searching for CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go ahead and download this app. Now open the app and tap on New Project. Now here you want to go ahead and select the videos you want to add to your Instagram story. So first I'll go ahead and select my first video. I'll tap on Add. This will now add it to my timeline in CapCut. Now before we start, you want to make sure your timeline is in 9:16 ratio. So you can confirm this by going into the tools at the bottom, swipe left until you see the aspect ratio. Here you need to make sure it's in 9:16 as you'll be posting it on Instagram. So now once that's confirmed, you want to go ahead and tap on the tick. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the video in the timeline. Then using your finger, you want to go ahead and adjust the size and move it to wherever you like on the screen. Now let's go ahead and paste the second video. So you want to go ahead and deselect the clip. And now from the bottom, you're going to use this tool called Overlay. If you don't see it, just swipe left and right and you'll see the Overlay tool. So go ahead and tap on that. Then tap on Add Overlay. And now you want to go ahead and select your second video. Then tap on Add. And now as you can see, the second video has come on top of the first video. So using the timeline, you want to go ahead and make sure it starts at the right time. So go ahead and drag it and move it to the left. Now go ahead and select the second video and resize it and move it to wherever you like. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and add more videos to this video. So basically I'm trying to show 4 videos in this one video. Now next you want to move the timeline all the way to the end and make sure they all finish at the same time. So if you have to clip, go ahead and clip them. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and delete this outro of CapCut. And now before you export it, go ahead and play the video and make sure you're happy with it. Now once you're happy with it, go ahead and use the export tool here at the top right and export this video to your phone. So save to device. Now once that's done, go ahead and tap on done. Now you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and tap on the plus sign, tap story. And now using the upload button, go ahead and upload the video which you've created. And now you'll be able to show multiple videos in your one Instagram post. So there you go. That is how to add multiple videos to your Instagram story post. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.